It's kind of not. It's like you build me a proton flagellar motor that's even remotely close to that of a bacteria's, and I will concede that humanity has something we can consider intellect. Until then,
Well,
we are
yeah.
we are mocking the universe by
The hubris
claiming
of
that
man,
what
right?
we have surpasses it. It developed these things that we can't hold a candle to, and we're looking at schematics for them. And it built them from scratch. I'm just saying. Like I can't.
This whole
Collectively,
thing though.
humanity has not made an engine that comes even like 5% as efficient as a flagellar motor.
Well, it's the
Protons are fast.
nature has all the answers already.
Exactly. Yeah, but yet it's not
We
logical.
we pretend like we can compete, but we can't.